Hey guys, here's the project update on this here. Coming up on Friday now. We've been on this job 16 days. We've got a lot accomplished in 16 days. I'm very proud of this job. I'm happy that the customer lets me design it the way I think it needs to be done. You can see the dock out there. We got the boardwalk all the way out through the area there. Now we got the dock out in the water. We're fixing to set the boathouse poles. We're going with 8-inch tip, 35-foot long pilings out there. We got a lot of silt, so we're going to make sure this here is built to stay. This is a cool shot here in the morning. I thought it looked like the Mini X was just walking on the water. Another beautiful sunrise. Yeah, we've got to change the vibratory hammer out again, back to the bucket. We got one piling right here that we could not get down, so it's right next to that cypress tree, so I'm sure there's some good cypress roots down there. So we'll try to clean them out of the way a little bit so we can get our pole installed. We've also started over here on the other side. Got our string set way out there this morning and getting ready to start setting some poles for the dock. Look at this 200-foot dock, 350-foot boardwalk. Crazy set of stairs out there, plus the ATV ramp here set of wood. Just want to make sure these poles don't come out. It's very muddy here. It gives you an idea how much pole is going in the ground right here. That's a 20-footer. We'll have 7 foot sticking off the water. Over 100 foot of piling set out there today for our dock going out. And guys are working on the boardwalk behind me here. And got a little over 200 foot of decking laid. Coming together real good and getting all the decking screwed off now. We're using number 10 stainless steel 3-inch screws. That's all you've been doing all day long, screwing off?
All day, screwing off. About 9,000 more to go.
That's all. Guyon, you have laid some decking today.
About 70 feet left.
Wow. Moving on out. This is a 9-inch, 30-foot piling. We're set for them for jet ski lifts. These poles will be about 15 foot in the ground. Jet ski lifts just mount to one piling, so it has a tendency to pull the pole over if you don't have one deep enough or large enough in the ground. So we make sure that we get them set properly. This pole was just about the max with the boom extended on this tractor with the vibratory plate out there. It's a lot of weight hanging out there. You can see the tractor starts to tip just a little bit as I'm swinging around this other lift piling I've already got set. little bit of time. We got a string laid out there with a mark on it where the center of the piling is. Hunter's out there directing the direction the pole needs to go as vibrating. Make sure we get it set right. Jet ski lift pole. We go ahead and set a 9" 30 to make sure that when you hang cantilevering jet ski on it, it doesn't pull the dock over or pull the piling over. Set the pole about 15 foot in the ground. And it's directly across from another 9" 30 we already set. So those two will be tied together. We'll have a jet ski on either side of the dock. Check on that, Hunter. Good. Like to get this piling as plumb as possible, since we'll be hanging a jet ski lift on it that swings around. If the piling's not plumb, then it makes it really hard to rotate that jet ski lift with the weight of the jet ski on it. Check our plumb one more time. We're about 2 foot from elevation. Okay. It's about elevation right there. Perfect. That's what I like to hear. Good job. Perfect. Excellent plumb job. Hey, we're getting some more material located to the bottom of the hill here. It's a long process getting everything down there, but thank God we got a little access ramp here. We can drive around through the neighbor's yard and get material back there. If y'all hadn't subscribed to my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You'll be notified when I hit the next videos. And like and share. Thank you.